Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Rajesh and you are watching Rinku Art. So this is the second part of drawing from references. I would like to thank you all for liking the previous part. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch that first. I am sure you will like it. So coming to our today's topic, here I will demonstrate how I am drawing a female character out of a reference. So let's get into it.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
Here first I will observe the reference image and try to understand the face and pose. To get an idea on it, I'll draw a rough sketch or a gesture. For better understanding, I'll put some more lines. It's very important to place a center line to know which side the face is. Then I'll do the rough placement of the hair, eyes, nose and mouth. Gradually drawing the details. It's very important to see whether both the eyes direction are looking in one direction or not. The character is looking more like realistic, so I need to do it once again. Here I'll directly start the drawing with the head without drawing the whole body first. Quickly, I have completed the rough and now it's cleanup time. While doing the cleanup, I'll keep in mind about the cartoony eyes and mouth. Here I am trying to copy the hairstyle. In some places, I am doing shading to bring the depth. Now I am doing the rest of the body part. So this is the final drawing, and this one also didn't come out the way I thought of. So let me try it once more. At first I'll do the face construction as before. And after the rough placement of the eyes, nose, mouth and ears, I'll again jump back to eyes because I need to make those eyes little bigger and cartoony. Every time I need to check the shape of the face comparing with the hair and other parts like eyes, nose, mouth and ears. Here I am finalizing the hairstyle and I am changing it little bit. I am shading the dark areas. Proceeding my drawings with rough lines to complete the body. Overlapping lines and foldings are very important. I may prepare a video on it. So now as my rough character is ready and I am quite happy with it, I'll proceed to the next level, which is detailing, or you can say cleanup. Here my first focus is on the eyes, as this is the part which will help the drawing to look cartoony. Always cross-examine the direction of both the eyes. They should look in one direction only. Here I kept the nose small and rounded and not angular. Mouth I kept same as before. For hair I am doing detailing the place where it is required. In my rough stage itself I have done the folding lines properly, so now it's quite helpful. So here it's nothing much to explain. You can watch and understand. Here I am applying some shades of black and white to show the depth. I have applied a BG color, same as the reference image. And finally, bold lines to my character where necessary. So here is my character. How is it? Please comment below. So this is the end of part 2, and I was thinking to make another part where I'll show you how to draw cartoons from reference, this time totally cartoon. If you are interested, please comment below or send your request to my Instagram. And before signing out, one request, please share and like this video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe with the bell icon and select all to get the notification whenever I upload any new video. So thanks for watching, take care and bye bye.